In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependencies on Asana. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just getting started with this fantastic tool, understanding how to set task dependencies is crucial for streamlining workflows and managing projects efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to start by logging into your Asana account. Once you're on the home page, your next move is to open the project that contains the tasks you're currently managing. This step is vital because it ensures that you're working within the correct group of tasks and not accidentally altering a different project's workflow. Now, with your project open, it's time to locate the specific task you want to mark as dependent. Go ahead and click on this task, which will bring up its Details panel. In this task, Details panel, you'll notice numerous options designed to enrich the context of your work. While all these functionalities are useful, our main focus today is on the Add Dependency feature. So, direct your attention to the right side of the Details panel of your open task. Here, you'll spot the Add Dependency option waiting patiently for your attention. When you're ready, click on it. Once you tap this option, a search bar will appear. This is where the real magic happens. You'll need to type the name of the task that must be completed before you can tackle your current task. This capability is formidable because it allows you to specify which tasks need to be completed first, ensuring that the progress of your workflow happens seamlessly. As you begin typing the task name, you'll see a drop-down list appear. This list provides you with suggestions based on the tasks within your current project. Carefully scroll through these suggestions, locate the task that you need to establish as a prerequisite, and select it. Thoughtful selection is important because the proper task order plays a pivotal role in the smooth progression of your project. Once you've found the right task and made your selection from the drop-down menu, consider this task complete. Congratulations! You've successfully set a dependency in Asana. This action ensures that tasks within your project flow logically from one to another based on their dependencies. Essentially, with this feature, you're setting the stage for a more organized and efficient project timeline, where every team member knows exactly which tasks are reliant on others. Armed with this newly acquired skill, you can manage your tasks with confidence, knowing that even complex projects will remain on track.